Kane, Head of Support at Hive Media Control. We're here at InfoComm 2026, and today I'm going to show you our new version 1.3 software. So this is version 1.3, and we have a few new features. So we have now live previews on the Find Devices page, and you can actually click into the preview and control the software from the preview page. So if I click the map page, we can get take to the map page. But if I click out of it and then click into another device, we can also go straight to that same UI on a different device now. We also have our new layer manager. So we recently have gone from 2 layers all the way up to 8 on certain devices, and extra mixes as well, and extra regions. We also now support MP-CDI, as well as Viozo and Screenberry, and we have been doing some updates on our UIs. So we now have a UI for our Dante, and we also have a UI for a new UI on our Pixel Mapper. You can find us at booth C5456, and you can also find us on the Panasonic stand as well. Thank you.